Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys my updated hair growth oil. If you guys are interested in this video, then stay tuned. So I decided to change up the recipe from my last video, which was my henna and amla oil DIY hair growth oil. I'm still using the henna and amla powder, but I decided to switch up the oils. So the oils I'm going to be using in this video is going to be sweet almond oil, which I got from Whole Foods. And then the henna powder I got from Amazon. And then the essential oil I'm going to be using in this video is lemon. You can use any essential oil that you want. I got that from the vitamin shop. Then I'm going to be using amla powder, which I got from a local Indian store. And then I'm going to be also using sunflower oil and extra virgin olive oil, as well as extra dark Jamaican black castor oil. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a pan and I'm going to put it on the stove on a very low setting. And this is going to help blend all the ingredients together. So I'm going to start off with half a cup of henna powder. Then I'm going to add a quarter cup of amla powder. Then I'm going to pour half of the bottle of the olive oil and the sunflower oil. And I got this oil from Publix. Now I'm going to pour half of the bottle of the Jamaican black castor oil, and I got this bottle from either Marshall's or TJ Maxx. Now I'm going to put about 20 to 30 drops of the sweet almond oil. After I've added the powder and all of my oils, I'm just going to go ahead and make sure that everything is blended together, and I'm just going to let it sit on the stove for about a good 5 minutes. So I've taken the oil off of the stove and let it cool down, and I transferred it into a plastic container, and I'm going to go ahead and add about 10 to 20 drops of my essential oil, which is going to be lemon, but you can use any essential oil that you would like, peppermint, lavender, and you know, the list goes on. It is now the next day. I waited about 24 hours before straining the oil, just because I wanted the powder and the oil to infuse together. You can let the oil sit for however long you want to, but for this video purposes, I just let it sit for about 24 hours. So I'm going to go ahead and strain the oil and with a cheesecloth, and I got this cheesecloth from Walmart, and the point of this is to separate the oil from the powder. So now I have transferred the oil into an applicator bottle, and I'm going to apply it to my hair. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to thumbs it up, subscribe to my channel, share my videos, and go ahead and leave a comment if you decide to try out this recipe, and let me know how it works for you guys. And I appreciate you guys so much for clicking on my video, for watching and supporting my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.